Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your negotiation skills with Harvard Negotiation Project, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your negotiation skills with insights from the Harvard Negotiation Project, begin by understanding the fundamentals of negotiation. Familiarize yourself with the concept of principled negotiation. This technique emphasizes mutual gains and focuses on interests rather than positions. Identify your own interests and the interests of the other party. Make a list of what you want to achieve and the underlying reasons for each goal. Next, listen actively to the other party during discussions. This means paying close attention not just to their words, but also to their emotions and body language. Practice effective communication by articulating your needs clearly and assertively. Use I statements to express your thoughts and feelings without placing blame. Work on developing empathy to understand the perspective of the other party. This can help you find common ground and foster collaboration. Research and prepare thoroughly before entering negotiations. Gather relevant data, anticipate questions, and consider possible objections. Role-play different negotiation scenarios with a partner to build confidence. This practice can help you adapt to unexpected situations during real negotiations. Learn to manage emotions, both your own and those of the other party. Stay calm and composed, even when discussions become heated. Set clear goals and establish your best alternative to a negotiated agreement, or BATNA. Knowing your alternatives helps you make informed decisions during the negotiation. Be open to creative solutions that satisfy the interests of both parties. This can lead to outcomes that might not have been considered initially. Finally, take the time to reflect on each negotiation after it's concluded. Assess what worked well, what didn't, and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps and incorporating techniques from the Harvard Negotiation Project, you can enhance your negotiation skills and achieve more favorable outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.